Hi everyone. In this video, I'll introduce two common wiring mistakes when connecting modules to the EZHI: reversed connection and mixed connection. First, let's talk about reversed connection, which occurs when the positive and negative leads of the same module are reversed. Now, let's look at mixed connection, which happens when the same module is connected to two different channels of the EZHI. After the system installation is complete and the battery is turned on. If the system indicator of EZHI flashes red, it means that there is a wrong connection. First, turn off the battery, then pull out the DC cable and rewire the modules. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.